Happy Midsummer or Midsummer Eve, that is today on this Friday, 20th of June. It is time again for the longest day of the year. That's gonna be today and tomorrow or in between. But yeah, I am out for a beach adventure on the sea to celebrate Midsummer. And I have come to Mårtens Holme, that's located in the Tollare nature reserve and neighborhood area in Nacka. It is an island that is connected to the mainland through a bridge that you have seen at the beginning of this video. Now, first, I must admit I wanted to go to Badet, that's just 1 kilometer away from here. But then I realized there were some people on the beach that were sitting there, so I just wanted a bit of peace and quiet. So I came here and I'm now the only person on the island as I was walking along the island. But it's also very common because all of the people are celebrating Midsummer with their families and friends, with some meals. I wasn't invited to such party this year, but I have been to plenty of throughout the years. And as a non-sweet, I mean, for me it's not a must to have that kind of preparations, because it's also a bit of a hassle to prepare all the fruit and stuff, even though the strawberry cake is really delicious. But my kind of celebration is of course with a cycling and beach adventure. And this is my Cube road bike that got me here. So I thought I cycled a total of 19 kilometers, but it would have been 18 if I cycled through the different road, if I didn't make a detour to Lennesta. And the sun is up, despite the forecast said it's going to be cloudy. I guess some more heavier clouds are coming later today. And we have 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're going to check soon how much it is in the sea. Last year for Midsummer, I was on a trip with my mother to Öland, both to Kalmar and to Bodasand. I remember for the Midsummer Eve, we were on Öland actually. We took the bus to Öland and we celebrated with beach adventures, obviously, in the city of Färjestaden, I think it was, right after the bridge. So here on this island, it is a passage for boats that are passing by. So there will be higher tide here at times. So I will need to avoid some more waves later. But let's first measure the temperature in the Baltic Sea. Yes, as you have figured out already, this is the Baltic Sea, and I'm on an island in the Baltic Sea, just around 18 kilometers from my home. And to be fair, I am not so common to take this route with the bike, despite being as close as, even closer than Tyresö, because I don't like the road actually. It's a bit not the best. And we have 15 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea. So that's almost perfect for a dip on this Midsummer Eve. Okay, it's called Midsummer Eve, but it's celebrated throughout the whole day, and it's always on a Friday. I think this year it's the earliest that it has been, on 20th. It's usually around 24th, 5th, but it depends. Based on the calendar, of course, obviously. All right, now there are no boats, so means that it's perfect for a swim to celebrate the Midsummer in the best possible way in Mårtens Holme, this island that it's called. The water here looks a bit more greenish than usual. I think it's because of the seaweed and plants that are here. Not that it's not clean, because Baltic Sea is usually clean here in Stockholm. Sweden is usually one of the cleanest nations with cleanest waters in the world, as there are very high fines for those people that pollute the beautiful nature that we have. All right, then it's time to embrace. Okay, here it is very shallow actually. I thought it's gonna be deeper right away, but yeah, it's time to take the midsummer dip and swim here at Mårtens Holme in Nacka. So let's go, folks. Yes, that's the sea, of course. And now it's deeper. Whew. I think I can see fish, etc. on that side, I believe. And just look at this beautiful place just for myself. There is a sign that says 12. I think that's 12 knots for the boat to know how deep it is, maybe. I see 8 on the other side and 12. Or maybe that's the speed. Okay, I'm clueless now. I don't have a boat license. So, cool. Alright, so wonderful midsummer eve. And tomorrow is gonna be even more sunny. And I'm gonna be going to the sea as well tomorrow. But maybe on a different spot in the so I don't know. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this episode. Happy Midsummer, glad Midsommar to all my viewers. Let's enjoy the longest day of the year, the solstice. And I'm gonna be seeing you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.